Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are staying home and you are safe. Today I want to ask some questions in the previous class. We have how many planets? 8 planets. In these 8 planets, what is our planet? Earth is our planet. Along with Earth, your remaining seven planets and other heavenly bodies all are moves around the sun. What is this called? This is rotation. Your daily activities in which time you are doing in daytime. When you go to bed, in the night time only, go to bed. Day and night, what causes day and night? Already know, children. Rotation is causes day and night. In the remaining before 1 week, you are feeling so hot. What's the reason? This is summer season. I think which season you like? I think most your like season is rainy season. Because of you are playing in water and making paper boats and playing in water. I think some children like winter season also. Because of the cool. Also some children like summer season. What is the reason? You eat more ice creams. That's why some children like summer season. The seasons are caused by the evolution. Today I want to explain about rotation and evolution. Rotation and rotation and these two are movements of the earth. Today you know about what is the difference between rotation and evolution, how impact our life by the rotation and evolution. First, I want to explain about rotation. In this children, in this lesson, first, what is rotation? Rotation means the spinning movement of the earth. Spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Repeat again, children. The spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Axis. In the previous lesson, you know about axis. The imaginary line passes through North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. This is called axis. So children, repeat again. Rotation means the spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The axis means the imaginary line passes through the North Pole to South Pole of the earth. Here, imaginary line. Imaginary means not visible. For example, I am here give some class in my home, but I think in front of me some children is there. That is the imagination. Here one imaginary line passes through North Pole to South Pole is called axis. I say children, rotation causes day and night. Day and night. Children, you like day or night? I think you like night because of you are watching TV and you take rest. Huh? Some children like daytime because of you went to school and playing with friends. Listen, here rotation causes day and night. See, daytime, see like this children. And these are night. Now we explain about how we get day and how we get night. See children, the picture is there now. Here. I think this is the sun. This is the earth. Already told you know children, imaginary line, top, pole and a stop. Here, sun, this part faces sunlight. This is a day. This part is experiences day. Away from the sunlight, the night. This part faces the light. Away from the light. This experiences the night. Rotation causes day and night. One rotation take times 24 hours. 24 hours means 1 day. This is called Earth day. What is that? Earth day. I repeat again children. Rotation is the spinning movement of the earth around on its axis is called rotation. What is the meaning of spinning? To take fan, rotate. Wings are rotate. You see the washing machine in a wheel is there, you know. Also spin the clothes. That is the meaning of spinning. Here, rotation causes day and night. How much time taken for the one rotation, children? 24 hours. 24 hours means 1 day. The earth moves. Another movement is revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun is called the earth moves around the sun is called revolution. Already I am explained the seasons are caused by the revolution. Rotation takes 24 hours means 1 day. Here 4 seasons. How many seasons we have? 4 seasons. Revolution causes seasons. How many seasons have children? 4 seasons. How you get seasons, you know children? from the sun. Sometimes Earth close to sun is a feeling summer. Away from the sun, you are feeling cold or cool or winter. Earth, the sun raises, the earth has experiences sometime direct rays and sometime away from the sun rays and far away from the sun rays. Sometimes close moves towards to the sun. Is it based on the tilt of the earth? Tilt of the earth. As revolution causes seasons. How many seasons we have, children? 4 seasons. Revolution causes seasons. How many seasons we have? 4 seasons. Here, spring season. During spring season, trees sprout new leaves and flowers bloom after the cold winter months. Birds build nest. The weather is mild and pleasant. Spring season means you have in Ugadi, the festival. In that period you have spring season. In the spring season, this trees sprout new leaves and flowers are bloom after the cold winter months. Birds build nest. The weather is mild and pleasant. Mild and pleasant means not too hot and not too cold. Mild climate is there. Summer. Nowadays you are feeling so horrible, so heat. What is the meaning? Summer months are earth close to sun. The summer months are hot. The days are long and nights are short. Until you are 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, 6:30, maybe you have light. In winter season, 4:35 also, you are looking, our climate is dark. The summer season is, the summer months are hot and dry. The days are long and the nights are short. In many places, rivers and lakes are run. That's why summer season you face water problem. And summer season only you are making pickles and some too. But because of you have same dry. That's why you are in many places rivers and lakes are dry and you have scarcity of water in the summer season. Another season is winter. It is very cold during winter. In many places snow falls. In which places of the earth, the different places you have yet to know, in which places of the earth close to sun, it is a feeling summer. Away from the sun is winter. That places, for example, you take your Antarctica regions and Arctic regions are very cold regions is there now. They face a snow fall. These logs are their leaves also. The days are short and nights are, daytime is less. Actually 4 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. also you feel like darkness. Another season is autumn season. Autumn season is change color and start falling from the trees. Days and nights are of the same length. The weather is pleasant. What is autumn season means? Rainy season, you know. In this autumn season, leaves change color and start falling from the trees. Days and nights of the same length. The weather is very pleasant, very cool. See, children, this is today I am explaining about rotation and revolution. Revolution causes seasons. The seasons are 4: the autumn season, the spring season, and winter season. Here, I know I explain about the features of the seasons also. I want to ask some questions. What is the meaning of rotation? What is the difference of rotation and revolution? Here, I want to forget one point. Revolution take times how many days? How many hours? How many days? 365 days and 6 hours. Means 1 hour. 1 year. In 1 year you have 4 experiences, 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Summer, winter, spring, and autumn. I want to ask some questions, children. How many movements of the earth? 2 movements. How many movements? 2 movements. One is rotation, another one is revolution. Rotation means the spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night. How much of time take time for one rotation? 24 hours. 24 hours means a day. The earth moves which direction to which direction? West to east. What is the revolution means? The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Revolution causes seasons. How you form seasons? The earth movement of the earth around the sun, tilt of the earth towards to the sun is very hot, and away from the sun is you feeling cool, or winter seasons or autumn seasons. Here, see children, today I am explaining about rotation and revolution. In the next period, I am explain about hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. You know, children, previous class, you know. What experience of northern hemispheres and southern hemispheres, and next class I will explain about equinox and solstice. Thank you. Huh?